this video, I'll be sharing with you one simple action that'll make people happy to see you. Now I think back to it, I actually learned this from my dad, and basically it's this. Be happy to see people. like duh, right? What do you mean, Tim? And what I mean by this is adding a little bit more enthusiasm to your greetings. The way that my dad explained it was kind of like this. He gave me like two separate examples that made it really clear. One of my friends at church, his name was E-Man. Now, he's kind of like this big guy.
Imagine when you go to church and you go in to say hi to E-Man, you add a little bit of energy or
I call it a little bit more enthusiasm
into it, like, hey, what's going on, E-Man? I'm so happy to see you, type of thing. Versus saying hi to him in a normal way. Just like, hey, how's it going? Hey, man, hey, man, hey.
Just adding that little pep in your step, adding a little bit of enthusiasm, showing the other person that you're actually happy and enthusiastic about seeing them. And I would say that it wouldn't work if you're like mid-argument with someone and you go and meet with them and they're still mad at you or something, or you're still mad at them. Definitely do not recommend it in those type of situations. Now, what does this look like? You might be thinking, okay, I've seen this before. I've seen those really extroverted guys out there doing the same exact thing. I honestly feel annoyed by those type of people. And I'm not saying that you have to be that. You don't need to be obnoxious. You could do this in a way that you're not obnoxious and you don't come off as annoying and like Brock the jock. Hey guys, what's going on? Sam, Kim, yo, what's going on? You don't need to be like that guy. You don't need to be obnoxious in order to apply this simple action. Now, one big important thing not to miss when it comes to applying this is not faking it. If you're generally not happy, in a happy mood, or if you're generally not happy to see someone, don't use this. Because it can come off as disingenuous and fake, and we don't do that around here. I just say just turn it up a couple notches, and it might look a little bit like this. Hey, Sam, what's going on, man? Hey, oh, Kim, hey, man, hey, guys, just want to say it's really good to see you guys. Come on, let's go. Not raising your voice or anything, but just feeling that you are genuinely happy to see this person. Letting that joy and that happiness to see your friend seep out of you. Not explosively, just up a couple notches. Not all the way, just a couple notches. You will see that people and your friends will appreciate it. People will light up. Going in, people will light up like, hey man, let's go. Is it good to see you, you know? Instead of like, hey, how's it going? If you're happy to see them, just don't be afraid to let that enthusiasm, that genuine happiness to see them, show a little bit, just a little bit. You will see that people and your friends will appreciate it. And I believe this is because it shows that you truly care about them and you truly love and care about them as a friend. It reminds me of this quote from a book called The Like Switch. I believe his name is Dr. Schaefer, but he was an ex-FBI agent. He mentioned this part in the book called The Golden Rule of Friendship, and it's this. If you want people to like you, make them feel good about themselves. In other words, if you make people feel good about themselves, then they'll like you. And I do truly think that making the mood in the room and the atmosphere in the room, lifting it up just a little bit, and making it more of a happy atmosphere, and especially starting off your interactions with that, it'll set up that rest of that interaction with them for success. People like being happy. People are happy when they're happy. Like, I know, Tim, like, duh, like what, the sky is blue, water is wet. What the heck are you talking about? Well, what I mean by that is that happiness is contagious, and people are attracted to happy people. I know that we talked a little bit about having an enthusiastic attitude and bringing that into your greetings. Now, if you want to go a little bit deeper into that humor, having that humorous, that happy attitude, that maybe joyful type of brightness, and adding that into your interactions, definitely check out this video where I go into it a little bit more. Check it out.